What over-the-counter pain reliever do you automatically reach for? Do you have a favorite? Do you ever wonder which one works best for which ailment? I recently hurt my back and was wondering which medication would work best. So today, I'm diving into a popular topic that affects many of us: over-the-counter pain relief options. I'm going to be breaking down the differences between Advil, Aleve, Tylenol, and Excedrin. Tell you briefly how they work and what types of pain each is best suited to treat. Let's get started. Over-the-counter medications are incredibly helpful for managing common pain, from headaches to sore muscles and even fever. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be confusing. I'm going to go over the main types of pain relievers, specifically Advil, Aleve, Tylenol, and Excedrin. I chose these four because that's what we had in the house. Each of these medications has its unique properties and ideal uses. Now, please note, I am not a doctor. I do not work in the medical field at all. I'm just a normal person. I did some research for my own purposes, and I'm sharing the results with you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you find it interesting. And if you have anything to add to the conversation, please take a minute and add a comment below. Okay, first up is Advil. Advil's main ingredient is ibuprofen. Ibuprofen belongs to a category called NSAIDs, or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. NSAIDs work by blocking substances called prostaglandins. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Anyways, they are part of the body's inflammatory response. So Advil is particularly effective at treating pain that involves inflammation, like muscle aches, arthritis, and even menstrual cramps. Advil is also commonly used for headaches and dental pain, but it's especially effective for inflammation-related pain. It's fast-acting, and you typically need to take it every 4 to 6 hours. However, it's important to know that long-term use of NSAIDs can irritate the stomach lining and increase the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding. So for anyone with a sensitive stomach or history of ulcers, it's best to consult with a doctor before taking Advil. Next, let's talk about Aleve, which contains naproxen. Like Advil, Aleve is also an NSAID, meaning it reduces inflammation by blocking those prostaglandins. The difference? Well, there is one. It's a different medication altogether, but it works similarly. However, Aleve has a longer duration of action, usually around 8 to 12 hours, which can be more convenient for all-day relief. This longer-lasting relief makes Aleve a good choice for chronic conditions like arthritis or back pain, where extended pain control is especially useful. However, Aleve can have similar gastrointestinal side effects to Advil, so it's not ideal for those with a history of stomach issues. Additionally, Aleve should be taken with food to help minimize stomach irritation. Moving on to Tylenol, which contains acetaminophen. Unlike Advil and Aleve, Tylenol is not an NSAID, so it doesn't have anti-inflammatory properties. Instead, it works by blocking pain signals in the brain and helps regulate body temperature. Tylenol is generally milder on the stomach, making it suitable for people with sensitive digestive systems or ulcers. It's particularly effective for fever reduction, mild pain, and headaches. However, acetaminophen can be hard on the liver, so it's crucial not to exceed the recommended dose. Long-term or high doses of acetaminophen can lead to liver damage, especially if combined with alcohol. So be careful. Tylenol is a good option for mild pain without inflammation. Finally, we have Excedrin. Excedrin is a bit different than the others because it combines multiple active ingredients: acetaminophen, aspirin, which is another NSAID, and caffeine. This unique combination targets headache pain specifically, but can also help with other pains of the body, especially back pain. Aspirin helps relieve the pain and inflammation, acetaminophen targets pain and fever, and caffeine amplifies these effects and helps constrict blood vessels, which can relieve headache pain. This combination is particularly effective for migraines and tension headaches. However, due to the caffeine content, it may cause jitteriness, or interfere with sleep if taken late in the day. So, how do you choose the right one? Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. If you need pain relief for inflammation like a sprain, muscle ache, or arthritis, Advil or Aleve could be your best bet. For mild pain without inflammation, or if you need something gentle on the stomach, Tylenol is a good option. And for headaches, especially migraines, Excedrin may provide the targeted relief you need. Always remember to follow the recommended dosage and check with your healthcare provider if you're unsure, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or take other medications. No two people are the same, so what works for one person may not work for you. So, good to know there's options. I hope this breakdown makes it easier for you to choose the right pain relief for your needs. Remember, over-the-counter medications are effective but should be used responsibly. If you have questions or concerns, reach out to your healthcare provider. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Appreciate it greatly. Thanks again. See you next time.